Change address in CRA. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to change address in CRA online. So let's get started. You have many options. The option number one is you can do online. Sign into your CRA account, then go to My Account section and here tap on Profile. Then select Contact Information. Click Add it next to your address and enter your new address and save. The option number two is you can do it by phone. Just call CRA at 1-800-959-8281 and request an address update. Option number three, you can do it by mail. Complete the Form RC325. Mention your address and phone number change request, then mail the form to the address listed on the form. Option number 4, on your tax return. If you are submitting a return, update your address on the return itself, paper or file option. And that's how you will be able to change your address in CRA online.